how to change your avatar on your Facebook Messenger. Now this is a really easy process, so I'll just show you guys how to do it. First, open up your messengers, and after you've opened up your messenger, tap on the top left 3 horizontal lines. After you've done that, click on the gear icon right beside your username, and it will take you to the settings page right here. So as you can see, there are several options with one that says avatar right there. Click on that, and there you have two options. If you have not created your avatar yet, you'll get an option called create an avatar, but I already have an avatar, so I have edit avatar and avatar settings. So let's just edit my settings, that is edit my avatar, and it will take you to this page right here. Now as you can see, there are several options. You can choose the one you want. You can change your hair, you can change your makeup, you can even change your put on makeup like this, you can change your face shape, you can change your body. And after you've done all the required edits that you feel like you wanted, just tap on save, and then your avatar will be get updated, and you'll have changed your avatar on your Facebook Messenger. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.